I've had some really big crashes lately, and honestly I probably wouldn't be here right now if I didn't have a In&Motion airbag in my suit. So I'm going to thank you guys very much for keeping me here. Most of all, the fact that I'm back racing is all down to RST and In&Motion airbag.
Motorsport, the speeds are so high, so the airbag's really important because at them high speeds, if you hit something, having that extra level of safety is really important, and it certainly helps a lot of injuries.
I had a few crashes this year. I had one really big one at Barber where I high-sided, went flying through the air, but when I hit the ground, I was completely fine.
Before the crash, the system is to have some air inside and it explodes before your crash, and is important for all the riders, like amateur and professional.
One of the things we're most proud of at RST is our V4.1 airbag suit that you can buy in your local store is exactly the same as our riders use at the IOM TT, in World Superbikes and races around the world.
Detects when we have crashed before we hit the ground, which is quite incredible. I guess Thruxton this year we had quite a big high side and there was no damage whatsoever. So big thumbs up from me. I think airbag technology is the way forward.
This year with the airbag I crashed a couple times, and honestly this part of the body always protect me 100%.
Years we didn't have it, but now I can't go out and not switch it on. That feeling of comfort and safety that it gives you as a rider is second to none.
Having that extra layer of protection when you hit the ground really helps all over your shoulders and your back and your collarbone. It can really save you when you get slammed on the ground hard. So for me, I wouldn't ride without it anymore.
When I use this system, I don't break any bones. I will say thank you to RST and In&Motion.
The guys do a really fantastic job, and I'm happy they're with me when I'm on the bike.